Welcome to Dublin, Ireland. This sums it up. Okay, I've been walking about Dublin city centre for the past couple of days. We've done a few wee various clips and videos, and we'll compile them into a wee montage of Dublin. Go around different places, visit some bars, restaurants, maybe shopping, who knows. Can you guess where we are just now? Pretty busy street here. This is Henry Street. I've just been in Arnott's, you'll see that in a wee minute in the clip. Reminds me of my youth, Arnott's and Paisley. Okay, we've got some really good buskers here as well. Pretty busy. This is getting filmed on a Sunday and you can already see how busy it is. This is midday on a Sunday, look at this. Penny's is just down there I think, next, just past Marks and Spencer's. We've got another place I didn't even know still existed here. H. Samuel, the jewellers. I didn't even know that was in Ireland. There you go. They're still in the UK, aren't they? Right, let's head down here. So I've just been walking about, taking wee clips. I don't know if they'll be enough for a full video, we'll wait and see. We'll take you round probably Grafton Street, McConnell Street, Henry Street, Temple Bar, all the places you expect in Dublin, okay? Don't know how this video will end up. Might be an exciting ending, it might end well, it might end badly, who knows. Beautiful day today, it's about 25 degrees. What's not to like? I feel as if I'm in Spain. I had to put suntan lotion on my face, yes, and the cap on as well. Unbelievable. Right, let's go somewhere else. Arnott's. Okay, just on O'Connell Street just now. A wee bit of information on the city sightseeing Dublin hop on, hop off bus. 31 stops. There is some interesting places. I think I've seen a voucher deal for it. It was at £22. I think normally it's more like €30. I'll ask the girl in a minute what it is. Starts at 9 in the morning, I think, finishes at 5, but it didn't look quite as interesting as the Belfast one, so I'm not going on it this time. Maybe next time I come here I'll go on it, we'll wait and see. Okay, just headed to O'Connell Street and things got ugly. Look at that monstrosity. It's horrific, isn't it? It is a talking point, I suppose, that spent millions on it. It's pretty busy here, but we're trying to figure out where everybody is going. Are they going to the live portal over here that goes round the world? I believe it started doing it in New York. They shut it down for a wee while because I think people were flashing, but apparently they've started it again. So we'll wait and see, but yeah, pretty busy here. Guy in the bagpipes over there. You get a bit of Scottish influence. Right, let's see what's going on here. What city I'm in over the world? There's people waving in it. Oh, where are they? People waving back. Okay, so apparently this is Poland just now. Yeah, somebody's doing a wee dance back in Poland. I'm not sure where it is in Poland, mind you. Okay, one of the most famous buildings in Dublin, the General Post Office in O'Connell Street. It's actually shut today. And next door, we've got another Penny's, quite a few Penny's actually around about here. Give you a bit of information on the General Post Office, because the last time I was in Dublin, I got comments saying, Kevin, you've not even talked about this. Remember, it's not really a history channel. Wikipedia will do the job for you, to be fair. But it is obviously very famous. It was the headquarters, obviously, during the Easter Rising. For all the leaders against the British rule in Ireland. And it was the last great Georgian public building to be erected in the capital. There we go. Now it did get, most of it got destroyed in the fire, obviously back in the day, but it did get restored. The original facade I think was still there, so they rebuilt it again I think in 1929. There's another hop on, hop off bus. I don't know how much that one is. Okay, we're just off O'Connell Street. In this pricing video I'll be getting complaints. Kevin, how can you come to Dublin and not show us how much a pint of Guinness and not be drinking the Guinness? I've got a wee confession. I don't like Guinness. I'm not a fan of Guinness, but I've heard this place is quite nice. Just off O'Connell Street, we're at GR Mahon's. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but anyway. Public house and brewery, I've heard it's quite nice. This place next to it was really busy last night. It's called the River Bar. You see the big advertisement for Heineken just above it as well. Further up there, obviously the Temple Bar area, we've been showing you something. That's where, the further base up you go here, the more expensive prices get. That's the way it works. We've got Grafton Street not far from here as well, might be a bit pricier. But in general, the further you go up towards Temple Bar, prices will increase. You would have seen, obviously, some of the places where it's 10, 11 euros a drink. Oh, we guys in a boat there. I've not really seen many boat tours going up and down here actually. Okay, we're outside the National Wax Museum now. I'm assuming this is Ireland's version of Madame Tussauds. I'm assuming so anyway. A wee pub next door, I'll just check in a wee minute. Is it Cassidy's? I'm not sure. Not much it is to get in here. It's up from 10 in the morning till 7 at night. And Piers Brosnan, I think, there. Irish Rock and Roll Museum getting advertised as well. Got a wee souvenir shop, all the stuff in there as well. So check out this wee bar next door, see what it is. A few people sitting outside. It's going to be popular for a pint of Guinness, obviously. That is, it's Cassidy's, okay, so it's about 12:30 already, we've got people sitting outside. Oh no, they're sitting outside the cafe, I was getting mixed up, Cassidy's not open yet. Let me know, they've been in there. A wee pint of Guinness, Cassidy's. Ah, so it's a wee street food Indian place here, people are in, having coffees. And next door we've got Charlie's Food Bar as well. Some grand buildings down here, we're quite near Trinity College in Grafton Street, I believe. We'll get there eventually. DublinPedalTours.com is where you can book this one, okay? The girls are enjoying it, eh? Yeah, they're enjoying it. Don't see any drinks, mind you. Is there drinks on the table? Surely there is. Well, it looks like they're going to crash, mind you. Okay, good fun it looks. Okay, we're at College Green just about. We're outside the Bank of Ireland, which was previously Irish Parliament House. The one thing you will notice here is there's no windows. And the reason for that is when it was built, there was a window tax, and the more windows you had in the building, the more tax you had to pay, so that's why there's no windows in it, apparently. It's pretty nice here, there's a lot of walking tours around about here, official guides and stuff like that. I am the official guide for YouTube only. That's it. Yeah, the walking tours, I wonder how people hear them because they don't have microphones or anything like that, so you need to be a really loud speaker. I've seen a couple where I could hardly make out what they were saying, so if you're going to be a walking tour guide, I suggest you have a very loud, prominent voice. It's one of the other sightseeing buses here as well. I think I'm going to head down to Trinity College in Grafton Street. A lot of history around about here. Okay, it's about time we went up Grafton Street in Dublin. Atmosphere's great here, 25 degrees. What a lovely city Dublin is. Banging atmosphere as well at night. Alright, it's not the cheapest. That's only up at the Temple Bar area. Everywhere else is quite reasonable for a city. So the Temple Bar area is where you're going to pay a lot for drinks and food, but everywhere else it's not that bad. Let's take a wee wander into Grafton Street, see what's going on here. We've got people setting up a wee film crew here. We've got a wee tripod, don't know what he's doing here. This busker guy is really good. Just having a wee break just now. Mostly shops in Grafton Street. There's a few bars down the wee side streets, etc. here. We've got a lot of walking tours, a lot of school groups out here, kind of kids groups, like youth club or some, I think. We've got more buskers up here as well, so you've got a good variety in Dublin. Grafton Street, Henry Street, O'Donnell Street, quite a lot of other wee side streets, Mary Street, Little Mary Street, lots of wee hidden gems everywhere you go. I don't mean McDonald's, okay? There's some fancy places around the corner here. I remember last time I was here with Gordon, we shout to Gordon, who's from Paisley that lives in Dublin now, watching the channel. He took me all around Dublin, it was really helpful. He was like my tour guide for the day, and he showed me some of the expensive hotels where all the rock stars stayed in round here as well. Can't remember the name of it, maybe pass it. Pretty busy down there as well. That's Wicklow Street. Okay, so this is a wee walking tour. You've seen all the streets of Dublin. Well, not all of them, you know what I mean, quite a lot of them. Okay. Oh, this guy, he's getting it going with the busking. Oh, he's good. Two of them. Okay, his mate's helping him as well. Brown Thomas in there, Dublin. He's doing a wee bit Amy Winehouse, Marks and Spencer's. Pretty nice Marks and Spencer's building, isn't it? The guys are good, eh? Check them out. Josh Gooney, check him out. Okay, let's continue. See what else we can find here in Grafton Street. I was so naive, I thought Sunday might be quite quiet in Dublin. What was I thinking of? What was I actually thinking of? I was off my head, wasn't I? Off my head. Temple Bar area, I'm thinking tonight it's going to be quiet. Don't think so. Booked a comedy club as well, between 8 and probably 10, half 10. The live music on Temple Bar till 2 in the morning. It's a great atmosphere and it's recommended. You will need a bank loan for Temple Bar. You'll see my pricing video talking about the price of drinks here. Nearly a heart attack last night. Look at these wee places down here. So there's not many bars in Grafton Street. Last time I was here with Gordon, he pointed it out to me. There's one wee American bar at the top, one if it's still there. But you just come down the wee side streets here and you come to Bailey Bar and Cafe. You come to this lovely wee place here on the right hand side, which I think is quite well known down here as well. Yeah, so really nice wee atmosphere. Our eyesight's not great. What does that say? Is it Darcy Burns? Or Davy Burns? Davy Burns, I think it's Davy Burns, okay. There's Davy Burns doing food there as well. Looks a nice wee place. I think last time I've done a wee video here, somebody did comment that was a nice wee bar. Another wee one down the side streets here as well. Oh, I thought that was Old Burton's there, but it's not. It's called The Burton. Fancy hotel, I'm sure, down that way. And then here on the left hand side you've got the Duke. And another wee nice restaurant just at the end there as well. So yeah, just come off the side streets, Marks and Spencer's. Just come off the side streets, off the main Grafton Street and all the other streets, and you'll find some wee hidden gems. We might continue somewhere else in a wee minute. Okay, we've made our way to St Stephen's Green. Absolutely lovely here, just round the corner from Trinity College in Grafton Street. 25 degrees, everybody is enjoying the sun today, even the birds. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful here. Might take a wee wander around the park, not sure. There's a lot of tours going on outside. You'll see I've done another wee video there. There's Viking tours, there's a hop on hop off buses, there's two. There's a green bus to do Dublin, and then there's a red one, the sightseeing one as well. Lots of groups you can see out here as well, enjoying the sun. But yeah, really nice park. Look at that, it's just landing right in front of us. And this just brings us out just at the back of Grafton Street really. So very, very central, this park, right in the centre. You don't have to walk far to get to it. They've got some historic information in here about obviously things that happened in the past. I do talk about it in another video, so you can check it out there as well. But it's quite a significant area in Irish history. So yeah, really nice wee park. There's another park just round the corner here, or not round the corner, but quite close to here, near Kevin Street. I need to get to Kevin Street, don't I? Which we're going to go into as well, but I don't know, I might just go into St Stephen's Green, so we'll be here, we'll wait and see. Okay, so that's basically Grafton Street just down there. All the signposts will tell you where to go and stuff as well. Okay, I've made our way into St Stephen's Green Shopping Centre. This is beautiful in here, look at this. Very grand, very fancy. They've got a famine exhibition actually up the top floor. I don't know if it's free to get in or payable, but they've got loads of shops here anyway. Lots of wee pop-up stalls as well. Let me do a wee recce round here. Okay, we're at Fade Street here. Lovely here, good wee atmosphere. This is Fade Street Social. Sunday afternoon, it's about 4 o'clock. Really, really busy, as you can see. Delivery drivers out and about. It's a nice wee place open here as well. Breaking news, I found the French Quarter here. What's it called? Chez Max number 1. Look, the guy's just about to start. Oh, looks classy, doesn't it? It's a big massive queue for Bambino's. I think it's a pizza place. It's all the way back here. That's pretty good, next to Peter's pub. This just takes us back down to the Temple Lane kind of bar area. I don't know if they've been in Bambino's, must be good because the queues are out the door, literally. How busy it is, the queue goes right in at the back there as well. Mad. Okay, we're outside Badass now. We've got some live music, very busy in there, you can see as well. Pretty good atmosphere. Another place for live music, the old Storehouse. Later on I think they get somebody on. Sample a wee bit of the atmosphere in here. Busy. outside. Paddy Max, Roof Garden, Temple Bar at Fitzsimmons. Live music everywhere here. One thing I will say so far about Dublin when it's this temperature, there's not many places get live music outside. Belfast definitely had a few more bars that had live music outside, like Kelly's Cellar, Dirty Onion, a few other places. There's an Osman there as well. Our Ireland's were in there earlier on, really good musicians in there. That's Fitzsimmons Temple Bar, it's on with the rooftop. It's busy here, and there's a famous Temple Bar just down here.